Hello and welcome to this 10-minute full body yoga routine. We're mostly doing standing work and the focus is going to be the legs, the knees, and the hips. I recommend having a block. When you're ready, let's get started. Stand up straight and bring your feet all the way together. We're starting in Tadasana. Take this time to ground and center yourself. Feel all the way down into the floor and up through the spine and the crown of the head. Then bring your hands to your hips and step the legs apart. You want to try to go about 4.5, 5 feet apart if you're tall. Spread your arms wide and keep your shoulders soft. Lift the front of your left foot and turn the toes in. Turn your right foot all the way out. We're starting with Trikonasana or triangle pose. Keep your right heel lined up to the left arch of your foot. That helps with balance. Pull the kneecaps up. That helps for your knees. Spread the arms, inhale, exhale, reach to the right and bring your right hand down. The hand can come to the shin, to the ankle, or you could even use a block. So whatever you do, try to keep, for this session, try to keep your legs really straight and lift your left arm up. Take a moment, push your left heel down and keep your left leg straight. Inhale, lift the top arm and bring yourself up. Turn your feet forward. Look down, adjust the feet. Turn the right toes in, the left foot out. Press that outer heel steadily into the floor. Look straight ahead. Inhale. Exhale and reach. My back always cracks on that first triangle pose. Lift the thigh, kneecap up. Lift up through the top arm and pause. Breathe. Bring your tailbone in and lengthen your spine. Inhale, come all the way up. Turn the feet forward, hands onto the hips, and come back to Tadasana. Roll your shoulders back, lift your chest. Now we're proceeding to Vrksasana or tree pose. Turn your right foot all the way out, your heel lining up to the arch of your left foot. For balance, you could always do this near to a wall so you don't have to worry about falling out. Slide your heel up and grab hold of your ankle and bring the heel as high up as you possibly can today. Then press the heel into that opposite thigh. You can keep holding on to the ankle, no problem. Sometimes the foot just slides down. Bring the left hip in. Look straight ahead. You can hold on to the wall. You can have your hands onto your hips. Or you can reach the arms straight up towards the ceiling. Bring the hands down. Slide the foot down. Touch back into Tadasana. Opposite leg turns all the way out. And then slide the heel as high as you can. Hold on to the ankle if you need to. Push the heel into the thigh. The thigh, your right thigh, back into the hip. Pause. You can have your hands on your hips or lift up or hold on to the wall for balance. Breathe and settle. Take your hands to your hips. Bring the foot down. Tadasana. Bring your hands to your hips and step the feet wide apart. We're going to go back to triangle pose so that we can get ready for half moon pose. Spread the arms wide. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the right hand down. Left arm up. Option to put your left hand onto the hip. Bend the right leg. And today you may try to use a block. So you can be upright or on its medium. Here you want to pause. Walk your left foot in. Then walk your right hand along with your block out. Then lean into the hand and start to lift your left inner leg up to come into half moon pose. The leg in the air pushes towards the heel all the way from the hip. Look straight ahead. Find your balance. Then bend your standing leg, walk back and down. See if you can find your triangle. And then come all the way up. Turn your feet, put your hands on your hips, and take a moment. Move your block to the other side. I'm going to move a little bit to the side here. Extend the arms, turn the right toes in, the left foot out, look straight ahead. Inhale and exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand can go to the hip. Bend the left leg, hand onto the block, walk in, then walk out. Reach through your right inner heel, point the toes directly forward, and take your time and slowly straighten your standing leg. Then bend that left leg, down with the right and back. See if you can find your triangle pose. And come all the way up. Turn your feet forward, hands on the hips, and bring it all back to Tadasana. Place your hands on your hips and step the feet wide apart. 10 toes forward and elbows back. Prasarita Padottanasana, first part. Draw the thighs up and bring the hands or the fingertips to the floor. Lengthen your spine forward, shoulders back, and feel that opening length that comes to your waist. Hands to your hips, elbows up, inhale and come up. Then bring your leg all the way back to Tadasana. Then we're going to lie down onto our back. Keep your legs bent and lengthen your hips towards your heels. Then take your block for a bridge pose. You can have it up like such if you can lift up that much, or it could be on its medium height like such. I'm going to show you with the high, so it's narrow underneath my tailbone. I have to lift my heels up, get up really high, and place the block underneath the tailbone. You can keep the heels up here and focus on rolling your shoulders under. And then bring the heels down if possible. Again, if this feels too high for you, you could always start here with the medium height block, and you'll work your way up with time and practice. Just staying here for a few moments. Then lift the hips up higher than the block. Slow descent on the way down, feeling the length in the lumbar. And then just rest the knees against each other. When you're ready, just roll to your side, push up with your hands, and bring yourself up. That was it for today's 10-minute full body yoga routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Namaste.